Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to install the MetaMask extension in your browser. So to install the MetaMask extension, you have to go to Chrome Web Store. In the Chrome Web Store, search for MetaMask and it will take some time. Okay. Here, go to this the first one and add it to the Brave extension. If you are using Chrome, it will display add to Chrome. So it's checking and downloading. Okay. Meanwhile, I'll tell you what is a MetaMask. MetaMask is the extension which allows you to simply interact with your smart contract or D apps, decentralized applications, and transfer some ethers. Here you can manage your account like in the main Ethereum network, how much you have made real ethers. You can check here. You can transfer ethers from here, and all these things. So MetaMask do it for you, do all these things for you. So yeah, it's installed and welcome to the MetaMask. Set Get started. Okay, if you have already a seed phrase, 20-word seed phrase, you can import your wallet here from here. And if you don't have, let's create a fresh wallet. uh, Agree with all these things and set up a password, because this is the extension that allows you to deal with the main Ethereum network also. So it will take here is secret phrase. You can back up your account from this seed phrase. You can check all your account addresses, public addresses and public address from private address from this seed phrase. Don't reveal this secret phrase to anyone, because with this seed phrase your account can be hacked and all your ethers can be used. So here are some here are some test network and main Ethereum network. Here is the main Ethereum network, test network, all. So why all these test network? When we develop a smart contract in Ethereum, and we know when we deploy a smart contract on the blockchain, we can't change the bytecode or the functionality of the smart contract once deployed. So we have to be very careful the for the smart contract that it provides exactly the same functionality that we are thinking of. So before deploying it on the main Ethereum network, we will deploy on the test network and test it that is working fine or not. So test network works very almost similar to the main Ethereum network, but for testing network there will be some testing ethers that doesn't have some real values. But in the main Ethereum network, you have some if you have some ethers that its value will be some in dollars. So it requires real ethers that has some value. So for testing purpose we will use Ringbe and Ringbe test network. So here is your account one created, and here is your address, public address. You can create another account from here or import it from the private key. Okay, so create account 2. So we have now two accounts. Okay, we will get some ethers now for testing purpose. For getting some ethers, go to the faucetringp.io. Okay, and let's copy your address. Okay, okay, just a minute. Faucetringp.io. Okay, okay. You have to paste URL of the social networking site, or just like I will show you in the Twitter. Go to Twitter. You can use Facebook also. I will be using Twitter, and mm, let's copy the address of the account and just post the address and tweet it, and you will get a URL, just like in I have posted another one before. So you can copy link to tweet and just paste it here and give me ethers, some ethers like ether. Okay. Okay, I have already took some ethers from Ethereum network, so it doesn't work for me, but for you it will work, and you will get some ethers from here.